Halo teman-teman, selamat datang di channel kami. Red, merah. Mighty Eagle.
I know very well who you are.
Huh?
You are lost souls who have come here seeking wisdom. Wisdom is not something that is given. It is something that is attained. Have your minds blown.
Oh, son of a...
You might want to shield your eyes from the sparkle of those trophies. How many? I have no idea. Countless, I'm sure. 13.
Bring it home, mamacita.
Get out of town.
Blue, biru. Red.
Not on my watch.
Sorry, guys.
Excuse me, sir, but I believe this belongs to you. Don't stop. I said don't stop. Another successful day of protecting the island. Great job, guys. What can I say? That's what I do. Now, why don't you just go ahead and run along and keep your big cute eyes peeled for the next pig prank, all right? Adorable. Okay, let's just finish clean up the rest of these crabs and then we can move on to...
Done and done.
Guys, there's no bottle, so just, stop. What? No! This is just another one of their pranks.
Purple, ungu. Leonard.
Leonard?
Got him! That's not coming from Bird Island. What the heck is that? And where did it come from? We're gonna need a bigger slingshot. I have, and I'll show you the proof. Squeal Team 6!
What the?
From a drone, yes, and it's disgusting. This is bigger than pranks. We need to put aside our differences and work together. Wonderful! We'll have to get a team together.
Yes, we will.
It's been filled. Booyah!
Green, hijau. Cak.
Just clean up the rest of these crabs and then we can move on to...
Done and done.
Red, what is it? What if it's a love note? What if it's like a message in a bottle? I'm just gonna write you a prescription for one night of fun with your cool friends, especially Chuck.
Look sweet.
I'm in! Oh, BT dubs, you misspelled heist. It's EI, not IE. I corrected it for you. Don't worry, it's a common misperception. You're right. I have got just the guy. It's a girl. My sister, Silver. She goes to Avian Academy, top of her class. She would be perfect.
Yellow, kuning.
Okay. Well, sometimes when I get upset, I have been known to blow up. Well, no, I literally blow up, okay? I explode like a bomb. Hence the name. No can do. I just went boom boom before class. I can, but I'm having back issues today, so I'm gonna have to take a rain check.
Pink, merah muda. Terence.
Terence.
These guys are all nuts, huh, big man? Good talk. Nice chatting with you.
Great form, Terence.